Welcome, friends. In today's video, I dive into some of the money habits which Warren Buffett said wealthy people makes a habit that makes them become rich, of what, unfortunately, poor people don't like to do. So, stick around with me if you want to be rich and watch this video to the end to learn some of the financial prowess of one of the world's wealthiest men. Warren Buffett, in his interview, stated some of these money habits that could be why you remain poor or become wealthy very soon, even if your pockets are very empty today. Warren Buffett is an American self made billionaire and a renowned investor. He is one of the world's wealthiest men on earth with a net worth of over 100 billion US dollars. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more financial tips like this. Now let's dive into it. Habit number 1. Warren Buffett once said, if you want to be rich, spend less money. This may sound like a no-brainer, but it is an important principle. By doing this, you can avoid debt and save more money. Think about it. If you are constantly spending more money than you earn or save, you will always be struggling. To be wealthy, you need to live below your means and then invest the difference. Does it surprise you why the rich dress so modest, but the poor spend on expensive designers? Even up to the poor funding their expensive habits on credit cards. Habit number 2, budgeting, or if you like, smart spending. Buffett encourages that you plan your income and expenditure, no matter how much you think you earn. You often hear people say things as, I just got paid, but I don't know where my money is gone. Warren Buffett advised that you track your spending. This is because you may have been spending the money that you could have saved. So track your spendings, check your bank statements, write down what you spend money on monthly. You might be able to cut down and save more money instead. I'm sure at this point, you know number 3 habits. Save as much as possible from your income. One of Warren Buffett's famous quotes, don't save what is left after spending. Rather, spend what is left after saving. This is a key aspect of financial planning. Remember, as soon as that paycheck comes in, take off 10% and then live on 90%. Savings is an investment in itself. It is like giving yourself a pay rise every year. Habit number 4. Buffett emphasized starting early. Start saving early and consistently. The key here is compound interest. The earlier you start saving and investing, the more your money grows over time. Every penny saved now can snowball into a fortune in the future. Buffett believed that this can have a significant impact on your wealth over time. Habit number 5, invest in businesses. Warren Buffett is known for his investing prowess. So it is no surprise what he says on this. Buying shares in well-run business can be a great way to grow your wealth over time. But remember, as with anything related to finance, do your research and only invest in what you can afford to lose. So invest your savings into an investment as it might be prone to inflation that may eventually diminish the purchasing power of your savings. Habit number 6, start with small investments and let your money grow over time. Warren Buffett was saying that you shouldn't wait until you have a stockpile of money before you start investing. Little drops makes an ocean. So start investing early. Habit number 7, diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. This means investing in different types of assets like stocks, bonds, and real estate to minimize risks and maximize return. Speak to brokerage companies, your local banks. There are lots of investment options out there. So speak to an advisor. Habit number 8 from Warren Buffett is to invest in yourself. Investing in yourself is perhaps the best way to increase your earning potential and overall net worth. This could include training or education that helps you increase your skills or increase your career prospects. Finally, habit number 9, don't be afraid to take risks within your comfort zone. Buffett once shared that risk come from not knowing what you are doing. That means doing your research, understanding your investments or ventures fully before diving in. It can help minimize unexpected surprises down the line. And now from me, remember, there is no shortcut to wealth. It takes hard work, dedication, and continuous self-improvement. So keep striving for excellence in whatever you do.